What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. What an amazing week, right? So last time we talked, guys, we talked about SPY headed to 660, and we had a nice little drop here, guys. We went down almost 2% on SPY, and we're looking at about almost an $11 drop. So one of the things that I always preach, guys, is if you're going to be bullish and you're going to buy SPY, okay, you could have bought a SPY call, guys, right in here, okay? And even though it went down, okay, you would still be green as of Friday right there. How do I know that? Because that's what I did. I bought a call. It expires in 30 days, guys, okay? 30 days, it will survive the theta. It will survive everything that the market gives it, guys. All right, guys, now the 660 area is still in play, guys. We have plenty of time left in August. We have an entire week of trading, so I think we are still going to make it to 660 this week. All right, guys, one of the catalysts for this week is going to be Nvidia. Nvidia is going to help the market get to 660. They do have earnings, but look at that support they found. This is a real thing. Now, the other part, of course, they've had all-time highs, guys, and we want to see them break that neckline there. And guess what? Where do you think Nvidia can go? I'm about to show you. If you guys remember from the double top, guys, and I have a free course on this if you want to check it out, we're going to take a look at how far up Nvidia can go, and we're going to take this measured move. And it looks like that measure move will clearly take us up into about the 200 area, guys. Okay, we're matching that distance in here, so that's going to be our implied move. And of course, we're going to be around the 200 range, guys. So if earning goes well for Nvidia, okay, we already did this, guys. Okay, if you follow patterns, okay, and you understand patterns, okay, what's next? We're going to head to the 185 area again, and I expect them to get past this area, come back down and retest this resistance, and then take off to $200. And check this out. We have earnings, like I said, on Wednesday, August 27th. So if you're playing options on earnings, guys, I'm going to give you a piece of advice. Do not buy options for this week. The implied volatility is going to be tremendous. So what happens with implied volatility, guys? They take the implied volatility and they balloon it up, guys, because they think that there is fear. And then what happens? That big balloon turns into a little one. So they can take the implied volatility from 100 to 60 and 50%, which means your profits will be doing this. Just when you thought you made a lot of money off that call, guys, that's right, it's going to disappear. So be careful with that. I would suggest you look at buying some time. There's nothing wrong with buying something that is 3 weeks out, 4 weeks out. Again, 1 month is always a good place to be. All right, so the other catalyst that will take the market up is going to be Microsoft. And if you guys remember, we talked about this blue line here, guys, which is the 50-day EMA, guys. Okay, I told you we will test this area, and sure enough, they bounce right off of that blue line, guys. And you can see I marked this off since the last video, and nothing wrong with them bouncing there. That's what you want, and that gives you a healthy stock. And here's another major line of support for you guys. Check it out. Okay, that there equals what? If you remember the previous video, guys, okay, and this is what's going to help S&P 500 get to 6,600, guys. This is going to get fun. If you understand the stock market, this is going to be an amazing time. Now, if you look at, let me make this nice and pretty for you guys here. Okay. This has been resistance. Okay. 2 times for Microsoft. So now guess what I expect Microsoft to do, guys? That's right. I expect them to challenge this again. Okay. Now, on the way up, I do expect them to do the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci means that they're going to retrace back 50% of the implied move, and then they will continue to go past that resistance. Okay. And this is what we want to see. We want to see them test and then take off for an all-time high. What's my target for Microsoft, guys? I'm going to leave you a link below. I will be playing Microsoft. I will be buying calls that expire in a month. Okay. Now, I am going to tell you I'm buying more calls because I already bought calls, guys, and I bought them right in here. And I think it might have been right in here. Okay. And what did I tell you? They will survive. Okay. They will survive that whole theta deal. Okay. On their way back up. Now, this is a great time to enter the trade, guys. This is a huge bottom. Huge. Okay. And I'm going to show you how huge this bottom is, guys. Okay. This is the daily. Okay. Chart. Look at that blue line. Okay. When is the last time that Microsoft touched that blue line, guys? Okay. Oh, that would be here back in May, guys. Okay. And when they touched it, okay, check it out. They just took off. Okay. That's it. It's over. Game over. Now, they did exactly the same thing they've done in the past, where they just come back to the blue line and they find this whole area to be support. And guess what? They take off. So this was support here. They went under it, of course. And then guess what? They took off. Okay. And this pattern is just a normal pattern with Microsoft and a lot of the Mag 7 guys. Look at this. Okay. This blue line is respected. If not, they're going to respect that 200-day moving average, and they're going to continue to move up. They might dip, but they'll keep going. This was just a touch. We have 2 beautiful candles, guys. I'm telling you right now. Okay. That is major support. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Look at that. Okay. You had 1 and 2, guys. I mean, they didn't even touch that 501. Maybe they did in the pre-market. I haven't checked, but regular trading hours is where it's at. And look at that, guy. That is amazing. This is what you want to see. So these are the times when people always wonder, when should I get into the trade? And I'm going to tell you right there, guys, that is the time. If you were going to buy 100 shares, okay, you can buy 10 shares here. And as it goes up, you buy 10 more, 10 more. Okay. Let me draw this out for you because I know some people are very visual, just like I am. So I would buy 10 shares here. And it doesn't even have to be Microsoft, just in general. Okay. And then you would buy 10 here. Okay. And right at that resistance where I said that they were going to go through it and then retest for support, that would be another area, guys. Now you could buy 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, or you just keep going up, guys, and keep buying 10. This also works if you want to buy 1 at a time, 2 at a time. Because imagine if you would have bought 10 here, 10 here, 5 there, 5, 5, 5, 5. Guys, where would you be right now? Okay. You don't have to buy $50,000 of Microsoft, guys. You can do well by just buying little bits at a time, grab a little money out of your paycheck and get going with this. Now, you guys know that I am the creator of the Dominator Indicator, guys. And the Dominator Indicator, guess what? Just gave us a buy signal, guys, at the bottom. Okay, look at these bottoms. This is when you want to enter a trade. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, guys. This is beautiful right here. Like I said, buy 10 or just say buy 2. Buy 2 when it crosses that line and just keep going. Okay. Because one thing that you know is for certain, when there's a buy signal, there's going to be a sell signal. You got a buy signal, guys. There will be a sell, buy signal here. Guess what that means? Okay, every time you get a buy signal, guys, they have to make it back to the top. So they're going to go. So if you have a bottom buy signal, they have to make it to the top. Look at that right there, guys. Okay, now let's take a look at one more area so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to move over Microsoft, and this will help you understand how having the proper guidance, guys, in stock trading is going to change the game for you guys. Okay, so let's just mark this off correctly, and I'm going to give you a bonus trade, guys, because you stay till the end of the video. I'll give you a nice swing. Okay, now we're going to look at this area here. Okay, right at this line area. Those are the best signals, guys. If we get our bottom buy signal, guys, okay, at some point we're going to get a sell signal. They have to make it to the top. Okay, this is a semi bottom. They have to make it to the top, guys. They get under this line bottom, they're gonna have to get to the top, guys. Here we go again, bottom, they're gonna make it to the top. At some point they make it to the top. This is not something I invented. It's something I recognize in the institutional buying, and I know they do this. The computers are designed to buy when they get down to that bottom because it's a deal for these banks and hedge companies, guys. Look, okay, they will make it. They will get up there, and you can see it matches, guys. Look at that. They get up into this level. And of course, they go down. If you're a bear and you like to short the market, by all means, do that. I never suggest that. I always tell people you want to buy because you have a better chance of winning if you do buys, especially at the beginning. So here is a better look for you guys. If we look at the indicator, and again, we're going to do the same thing, guys. I am going to mark off these bottom buys. And guess what? Did they go up from this area? Did the stock go up? Oh, yes, it did, coach. Check that out. Bottom buy signal. And did they go up? Whoop. Yes, they did. I'm telling you, these computers do this all day, guys, and you can too. Okay. If you're a swing trader, because you're a full-time worker or a full-time student, you need this in your life, guys. This is what I used to do when I was full-time employee in corporate America. Okay. I looked for swing trades, and now I developed this indicator that makes it super easy for me, guys. And you just have to be patient. Give the trade a chance to get back up to the top, guys, because look, they will get back to this area. They get above that green line, guys. Okay. You can try out this indicator 30 days for free, guys. If you stayed here to the end of this video, guess what? You're going to get this indicator 30 days for free. I have a quick course on how to install it off of TradingView. And you're also going to get me, and I'll coach you throughout the way. I will call out swings so that you can go look at it on your chart and validate it. So your bonus swing trade, guys, is going to be none other than one of my favorites. Okay. They are very consistent, very, very consistent. And that is Dollar Tree, guys. Sorry, Dollar General. I like Dollar Tree too. Okay. So this is where we are at. If you were part of the bull ring, guys, you would have seen this early. Okay. Check it out. Okay. You have an amazing swing opportunity down here at the bottom, guys. And look at this. What do we have here, guys? What do we have there? And guess what? They already found support. And this is my target for Dollar General, okay, $125. It might go past it, but I'm telling you, this is where I'm going to take profits, and I'll decide if I want to add one extra one so that I can run with the market. And you can see here, guys, I entered the trade, and look at how my trade is doing for now. Okay. I am up 51%, guys. I entered this trade on Friday, even though Dollar General closed about 9 cents. Okay. They just closed 9 cents negative, but they pumped. They took off like everybody else, guys, but they're going to continue. So for now, guys, okay, you get this trade. It is still early enough, guys. Look, 51%. Imagine, what is 51% of $100? What is 51% of 1,000? Okay. Depending on your portfolio, guys, swing trading works. Okay. You get that at the bull ring. You're going to get this indicator 30 days for free. I'm going to tell you what I am buying. I am going to tell you when I am buying it, and I'm going to tell you my target, guys. Okay. I will teach you how to do all of this. The only thing I need from you is to try. You're doing it for free. You can paper trade these for 30 days and see if this works for you. Okay. And if it doesn't, then you let me know and we can look at what went wrong. But I guarantee you guys, you're going to win. You're going to win if you execute correctly, which means you need to be a student. Now, this is not hard, guys. If you know how to use a smartphone, you're going to get this easy. See you on the next video.